Hunan province and was established in 2012. It is leading by the production and sales of carbide inserts, carbide and mills, carbide rods, with bringing in the imported advanced precision equipment. We build a complete tungsten carbide production line. All procedures from mold designing, mold making, powder mixing, pressing, sintering, passivation, side grinding, surface grinding, and also ultrasonic cleaning, PVD coating, CVD coating, which ensures the quality, stability of our product. We have our own lab and technical engineering department to be your back support at any time.